Meet xTool F2 Ultra, the first dual laser engraver powered by AI. With a 60-watt MOPA laser and a 40-watt diode laser in one machine, it easily handles all materials. It slashes metal and carves deep into wood, all flawlessly unified in one production cycle. The 60-watt MOPA laser delivers deeper engraving and finer details than other standard fiber lasers. What about color engraving?
The settings are too complicated.
Don't worry. Color engraving is easy with xTool. Try it on your phone. Every result is accurate, repeatable, and ready to impress.
Nice color.
With upgraded power, F2 Ultra delivers cleaner, deeper cuts. It even cuts through 2mm stainless steel and 2mm brass. Now one machine does both, cutting and embossing, unlocking new possibilities. xTool F2 Ultra is the first AI-powered laser. It will automatically identify the object, apply the best settings to match your processing mode, and preview the exact result. AI design is awesome. Just type, and 70 styles of design will pop up. Even 3D files, ready to go. You can also upload a picture. AI will detect every color, making the process simple and easy for everyone. Thanks to dual 48-megapixel cameras, xTool F2 Ultra now achieves positioning accuracy up to 0.2 millimeters.
Wait, with this?
Sure. It lets you engrave more details on tiny items. Curved surfaces? No problem. No matter the shape, easily handled. Built for high-demand production, F2 Ultra reaches 15,000 millimeters per second. With the auto-streamlined conveyor and smart fill, every pattern is perfectly aligned. It handles batch production like a pro, so more products can be turned out in less time. Plus, its fully enclosed design keeps things safe wherever you set it up. Powerful, simple, and efficient. This is the xTool F2 Ultra, the most powerful dual laser, ready for all your business needs.